Harrington Housing Red River could be the perfect student housing accommodation for students willing to pursue education in Austin. The accommodation has multiple room types such as mono-en-suite and studio apartments. You get a space of your own in the studio apartment. All the other room types offer you a private bedroom with a comfortable single bed, a study desk, a wardrobe, a television, and a desk lamp. You need not go anywhere to stay in shape, as there is also a well-equipped gym inside the property itself. A few strokes in the swimming pool might also help you to stay sporty and fit, as well as help you relax on a sunny day. To add to all of this, well-renowned universities such as the University of Texas and Austin Community College are a short ride away from the residence. People looking for a place to relax or explore can visit the Bullock Texas State History Museum and the Texas Science and Natural History Museum. Outlets like Crown and Anchor Pub and the Hopfields Bar are the best options to hang out with your friends. Now is the time to make it all happen. Just visit amberstudent.com and book your new home away from home.